What's going on, guys? This is Jay The Unbreakable here, and let's find out what's inside this broken iPad 2 Bluetooth keyboard, and let's find out. And this is my first time to do a teardown. Let's see. Nah, I'll just start from what I've got through already. And let's just see if what's the problem of this Bluetooth keyboard. I think the battery here is, oh my god, it's blown up. Kids, guys, don't attempt this at home. I need to remove this. How to remove this? Oh, yeah. I need something. Wait. And if anytime that your battery is blown, don't dispose it. Just give it to just don't deal with it. Just put it in a safe place. And I'll just wish you guys on a next video. And Jay The Unbreakable here. Peace out. Oh, wait. I'll just try and test the durability of this tablet keyboard. Yep, it's really durable. And see you guys next week, guys. Peace.